Okay, Tuesday night, March the 3rd, 2026, pulling out of the Loves. We stopped here and got a large, dark, bold, black coffee. We're headed back to the Flying J. That's probably where we'll stay tonight. I don't like Pilot Flying J's coffee. I like Quick Trips of Vienna. And I like Circle K's dark coffee, and I like Love's dark coffee. We're down here in Brunswick, exit 29. There's a truck stop Quick Trip. We'll just cruise through it real easy and quick. Just let you see it. I guess we'll zip through the TA. There's a new one open down there that's never been opened before when I've been here. Look, that bumper's got a ding on his right bumper, same place this one does. Got a Zaxby for dinner, and there was a feral cat. And at the Flying J there, that little kitten we got a picture of last time we were down here, it's more grown up now, didn't appear to be as shy, didn't run off at the first sight of us. We've got cat food. We try to feed our feral friends when we find the cat colonies. Interesting night looking. Interesting looking night, isn't it, with the fog? It's supposed to be a heavy fog in the morning or tonight, sometime or another. Anyway, it says it's warming and going to be clear tomorrow, but I don't know that I believe it. This is a nice TA. It's a relatively new one, but I just haven't warmed up to this one. That Flying J, I'm just much more comfortable with that Flying J. Now, I did notice with this, it seems like the last time I was here too, they cleaned up the bathrooms and things were working better. But this time the bathrooms are clean and they're well stocked and they function, only one urinal or something other functioning and the rest of it not functioning. That van there's been sitting there at the Waffle House for a while. I guess some people go to the Waffle House, or I have thought about that, just staying at a Waffle House like that. Go in and get a sandwich. Fried egg or something, fried egg sausage sandwich, and just stay tonight. Now I've stayed here tonight at night too. There's a nice new one. Trucks are around back, or I say new, it's a couple of years. Okay, well that place across the street's closed tonight now. It was open a while ago, but that's the first time I've ever seen it open. And there are trucks back there. Well, it may not be closed. It's got its lights on in there. Yeah, this is the first time I've seen that open. Winn-Dixie down there is closed. I don't know if they're remodeling it and opening it back up as a Winn-Dixie or going to open it back up as something else. We'll see if the feral kitty is out. I know he's being well fed. He, she, it, whatever it is. I asked one of the girls in here last time. She said, "You take all of them you want." There was, I think I saw a mama cat, and at least 2 kittens. And so far tonight, I've only seen that one little, formerly a kitten. We're going to park up here a little bit closer. Most of the activity this Denny's, I don't know how they stay in business, but I have gotten good food there and I've gotten bad food there. So I think we'll park right here. That way we can see both places. I do like that place next to us better though. Let's get it. Let's get it. Now this Flying J is also a Greyhound bus stop. We want to take a bus ride across country and also a train ride across country. Part of our YouTube explorations. Done a good job of parking tonight, is it, folks? Get my act together. Of course, I changed my mind about where I wanted to park, so. There we go. We'll watch, keep our eye out for the little kitten. He was right over there under that bush earlier tonight. I don't see anything of him or her. Well, this is the Google Pixel Pro. I haven't been using it, 9 Pro Plus or whatever. It's very difficult to edit. Google Pixel wants you to upload everything to the cloud, and I don't upload anything to the cloud. So let's try to do this just like it is now and upload it. And then we'll put something else on, or use this one. Almost everything we have is full of memory. Our memory is full. We may have to order a SSD and have it sent to an Amazon locker if we can get it delivered the next day down here. Okay, let's turn this off and see if we can get it uploaded, then see if we can get some other stuff uploaded off the phones. We'll have to download stuff tomorrow to the computer from the phones and Osmo and the Insta360s, and then work them in the computer and upload them. But this will be a wrap here.